Hello, I'm Ming and today I'll be sharing with you the resource set that I've made. So this resource set that I've made is called Catch the Shape Monsters. It consists of shape monsters made out of felt of different colors in a shoebox. Firstly, I made the felt monsters in 4 different shapes like rectangle, triangle, circle, and square, with a variety of primary colors like blue, red, and yellow. Children at the age of 18 to 24 months are able to sort things like shapes and colors. So this resource set will be a developmentally appropriate tool to enhance children's skills on early numeracy. Children of this age are also capable to start to find for hidden things, and that is why I added the shimmery blue color strips of paper for them to enhance on these skills as well. So for each shape, there will be a total of 4 felt monsters made out of 2 different sizes, big and small. So for example, this is the big rectangle shape, and this is the small rectangle. I pasted googly eyes on the monsters to enhance on the sensorial experiences of children, because I strongly believe that sensorial activities help to scaffold concepts in children's development, and the concepts can be recapped by educators in lessons. I use felt as it is softer and is more intact, so that things will not fall out or the fur will not fall all over the place. White papers are also wrapped around the A4 size shoebox, so it is not a potential hazard for children because it has sharp edges. So with white paper wrapped around it, it can protect the children from getting scratched. I made this resource set in a manner where educators can get children to sort according to colors or sizes alternatively. Hence, there is multiple ways to use this resource set. Now, I'll be demonstrating how children can play with this resource set. So firstly, children will have to observe the types of shapes monsters. There will be a total of 16 monsters consisting of small and big sizes that in the ocean. So the different shape monsters are square monsters, rectangle monsters, triangle monsters, and circle monsters. After observing the different shape monsters in the ocean, children will have to work together with their friends to catch all of them. The lid of the resource, so this is the lid. Behind this lid, there's this part where it will be segregated into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each part has a drawing of a shape drawn within it: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. And after each child has caught a shape monster, he or she will have to sort the shape monsters according to their shapes. So for example, if a child caught a rectangle, then he or she will have to put the rectangle inside here. After both, the rules are only 2 children are allowed to catch 2 shape monsters at a time. So after both of them has caught, then they will take turns with their friends and let the next pair catch the next 2 shape monsters and sort accordingly again. Children will keep taking turns until all the shape monsters are caught and sorted out.
First, I draw all the 4 shapes: circle, square, triangle, and rectangle onto the paper. I drew 2 sizes for each shape, big and small also. Then, I cut them out, and I use them to measure the size of shape that I have to cut out on the felt. Then, I cut them out on the felt and I sew them together. Before I end the sewing process, I stuffed cotton into the felt so to make the felt monsters more puffed up. Then I end the process by sewing them together. I repeated these steps for all the 4 shapes: square, triangle, rectangle, and circle. So use another method to cut out the felt. Like for example, I will trace out the shapes using the paper cut out onto the felt with a black marker. Then I will cut out the shapes on the felt and sew them together. I then start to decorate the box by using glue gun to squeeze the hot glue onto the shoebox, and as well as the same color felt as the felt monsters, which are blue, red, and yellow. Blue shimmery strips of paper were also placed inside of the box. Googly eyes were also pasted onto the felt monsters. I then decorated the lid of the box with felt and drawing shapes onto it.